It's Thinky Thursday! Hi friends! We're building something fun today. But uh-oh, something's missing. We can't build our house without shapes. Maybe the shapes are all around us. Let's go find them. Follow me. Look around. Do you see a circle?
There it is! The wheel is a circle!
Circle! Circle! What shape is this box? It has 4 equal sides. It's a square. Square! Square! Look at the flag. What shape is that? It has 3 sides. It's a triangle. Triangle! Triangle! We found them all. Let's go build. Let's build.
Square! For the walls!
Square!
Triangle on top!
Triangle! And a circle for the window. Circle! Wow! We built a house! Shapes help us build so many things. Circle. Square. Triangle. Square. Triangle. Circle. Let's build something fun again. Great thinking. Come learn again. Subscribe.